Hello everyone, if you're looking for a natural way to turn your gray hair into black, then this video is for you. I have a two-step process, so let's begin. We're going to take some coffee water, and then I'm also using a black tea which I have brewed, and I'm using that water. And here I am using herbal henna, and I'm going to mix into that water. I have a link in the description box. Make sure to use the metal ball if possible. Leave this overnight, and we are going to apply this paste. So you can see the rust has formed, and it is very good for your hair. Now I'm applying to my gray hair to the roots, and then I'm going to leave it for 3 to 4 hours and wash it. After I washed it, this is how it looks. It has colored my gray hair dark brown. Now step number 2. So the next day I applied indigo powder mixed with little bit of salt and then water. Salt will give a nice color. So I'm going to let it rest for a few minutes and then apply this to my henna colored hair. Make sure you must apply the henna first for this indigo powder to work. Leave this for 2 hours and wash your hair. Now you can see my all gray hair are gone. They are covered fully and they have turned black. So this is 100% natural, and you can repeat it once a month or as needed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to drop a like, comment, and all the products are in the description box, so you can take a look at it. Thank you for watching.